What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on HA5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has hit a green candle in the last 24 hours. It is up just under 7% guys, currently trading at just over the 1 cent target. So we're going to be going through what is next for AMP, looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. How high and how low can the crypto go? Is it worth buying it right now if you are looking to invest? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down further? Or if you are looking to sell, is now the right time? Or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? So we are also going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what the best option right now is and its overall prediction for the whole year. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart and we can see AMP is still trading above the SMA indicator, which is here in purple, meaning it is still performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, not looking too steep at all, meaning this is quite realistic. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, I am expecting AMP to have taken a slight dip in value, hitting more red candles, dropping further down is what I'm expecting, potentially dropping just below the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at by midday to tomorrow afternoon. Again, yes, it is likely to hit green candles in between. It is likely to be quite volatile with both green and red candles, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. So do expect more drops in value, even though it has pumped quite a bit over the last couple of hours here earlier on this morning and afternoon. It is likely to step back down in value, especially that the crypto market is down, with Bitcoin dropping down just over 7%. Likely to drop below $63,000 over the coming hours, and as you guys can clearly see, majority of the cryptos are on the red side today and for most of yesterday as well. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we see here? Well, the blue line was looking bullish, however is slanting towards the negative side now, and the orange line is still looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So both the lines are going in two opposite direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from AMP over the coming week or so. So by mid next week, it should be hovering around the 1 cent target, which I also agree with. However, in between that time, it is likely to hit both green and red candles. It is likely to be quite volatile as well, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the neutral side. Just like how it's been performing over the last week, it has pumped up, dropped back down. It's been quite volatile, but again, the overall outcome has been neutral. So that's exactly what I'm expecting to take place, a repeat of last week over the coming week with both red and green candles, but overall fluctuating around the 1 cent target. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we still have the blue line looking bearish and the orange line looking bullish. So once again, both the lines are again going in opposite direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from the graph. However, I am expecting an overall increase in value from AMP by early to mid-May 2024. I'm expecting it to be heading over the 2 cents target is what I'm expecting. Reason being is over the next 2 months, I'm expecting not just AMP but the crypto market in general to have recovered and pumped back up in value, and I'm also expecting Bitcoin to have hit another new all-time high by May. So this should have a positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves AMP as well, and especially with the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, I'm expecting major changes to the crypto market. However, closer to the date, as I get more updates and news, I will keep you guys updated on how the crypto market will get affected with the Bitcoin halving. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we did break out from the red zone all the way up into the top tier level on the 12th of March, which was about a week ago, and what's happened is straight away it's dropping back down right now, and it is likely to drop down further down to the resistance level here over the next couple of days, and then bounce back up into the green zone by late this week and early next week, so fluctuating around the 1 cent target and potentially slowly and steadily gaining value from then on in April, May, heading around the 2 cents target is what my expectations are at the moment. So AMP is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to stay in the loop on my predictions and takes on AMP, and of course if there are any major updates that come across that could have a potential impact on its value. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone up over 150%, making it $178 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason being is earlier this afternoon it did pump up quite a bit, and it's still up on the positive side, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, and in return the value of AMP is also pumping up even higher. So at the moment it's performing quite well, but as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to take a little bit of a dip down over the next 12 to 14 hours, trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. Can this crypto potentially hit the 5 cents target later on the year? I am expecting it to do so potentially towards the end of Q3, beginning of Q4. So around October, November time, I'm expecting AMP to be hitting the 5 cents target. Reason it's taking quite a while is we have to give it enough time for the crypto to go up in a slow and steady pace, considering the dips that are likely to take place in between as well, like the price corrections and so on that is currently going through. So I'm expecting it to hit 5 cents towards the end of the year is when I'm expecting it to do so. Comment down below, when are you guys expecting AMP to hit the 5 cents target, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.